everybody, this is me Adira Pushpanathan and you're watching The Crazy Mess. So today we are back with Amma. Hello, welcome back to my channel.
Okay.
Okay, so I asked in Instagram whether you want me to ask her some questions, and so many people sent me few questions that I personally liked. So I picked a few of them and I'm going to ask her. She doesn't have any idea what's the questions. She's like, is it about dad or something? I have no idea. But yeah, but it's really related to me.
Okay.
Okay, so you are ready?
Yes.
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 I feels like I'm in like Kaun Banega Crorepati. Okay, Jaya, your first question.
Yes.
If she could switch life with one of her daughters, who would it be and why? Like if you want to switch your life with me or Abarna, who would you pick and why?
I pick both of them.
Like you can only choose one.
No, baby.
No, you can only choose one. That's not fair. Like either me or her. Like choose one person and why.
That I cannot explain because both of you are my equally important.
It's not like equally important or anything. You have to choose one. Like if you want to know something about our life or something, like, or you have to experience something. So like who you want to pick. Like if you wake up one day and you have to be one of us, who will be? You cannot choose your soul into two.
What question is this?
Like it's a question.
For a day.
For a day.
For a day.
Yeah.
Yes. Aparna is a smaller kid. No.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I will prefer.
Her.
Okay.
Okay, that's why. Like because she is younger and she has a lot
She
of
has
privilege.
chubby cheeks.
That's why you picked her because she has chubby cheeks.
Full of laughing.
Okay. Moving on to the next
Don't
question.
be sad, baby.
Yes, I am not sad.
Okay.
Okay, next question. Okay, this I want to know.
Yes.
One thing you hate the most in me.
In you,
Yes, me.
angry nature. Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Very angry.
No other thing? Like I guessed it. Like I know that I have anger issues, and that's the thing. Like most people hate about me, but other than that, you don't find anything.
Always you are not at all angry.
Okay.
Sometimes, in some situations.
Yeah, I just shout at you,
Yes.
and that makes you feel
Yes. Some issues related to some problems or like that you will be sudden angry.
bad. Yeah,
That I am.
you cannot tolerate.
Yes.
You feel sad.
Yes. Very sad when you got angry.
It's okay. But these days I'm not at
No.
all angry, right?
No.
I have matured.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. In your
Teenage.
very difficult to handle with
Care. Yes, I was a very rebellious teenager. This question is very funny, okay? I heard Chinnu is the better daughter than you. I do believe in this rumor. Do you think that she is better daughter than me?
no equally
Equally bad.
no ഒരേപോലെ
ഒരേപോലെ ലൈക്ക് ഒരേപോലത്തെ പ്രാന്താണ്.
Guess who asked this question?
She itself asked this question and I was like, okay. But she asked it and she wanted to spread this rumor like she's the best daughter.
Oh, I was just joking.
Okay, continuing. This is from one of her cousin, okay? ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇങ്ങനെ കൂൾ ആയിട്ട് ഇരിക്കുന്നത്. You are our greatest inspiration. അമ്മായി, I love you.
It's Malu.
Yes.
Malu, I love you.
I love you. Okay.
Spread smiles, be happy.
Yeah. Spread love. Okay.
ആരെയും വെറുക്കരുത്.
Yes, don't hate people. Okay, next question. Secret behind your simplicity.
My secret behind my simplicity is my smile itself. I never ever hate anyone in my life. All are equally important. All people are very beautiful. They are very
I was like, what did she say?
all people are good.
Oh, okay.
In one
Like-
aspect or another, they are very good.
Okay, so you have to.
see only the good in people.
Yes.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Then you can make our life very simple.
Yes, the teacher in her is coming out. You should not.
Be happy. Be positive.
Okay.
Not corona positive.
Okay. I didn't expect that. Okay. What was Amma's reaction when Ammu Chechi told that she wants to start a YouTube channel?
I hate. Not hate.
She was not in love with the idea, right?
No, I am not at all aware of this platform. This,
Yeah. Exactly. When I told my parents that I wanted to start a YouTube channel, they were like, "What are you going to do? Like, are you going to act in movies or like you are going
I
to
don't
do
know
something?" Like, they were like scared of
social
what-
media. I am very afraid of social media. It will sometimes it will
create problems.
yes. So I feel afraid of it.
Yeah.
So-
But then she like picked up the race and she's like, "Okay, now this is cool. Like, I really like doing
now,
it."
many people are in this
Yeah.
in this way.
Like doing YouTube and earning and all. So she's like, "Okay, you can do it." Yeah, even I love doing it. Like, she loves acting and doing stuff that's creative. So now she's like, okay.
Okay.
But she hates when I prank her. That's
Yes.
why I told her that I'm not gonna prank her in future.
Yes, prank anyone.
Not her. Like, she's like, prank other people, I'll support, but not me. That's a very cruel behavior, Jaya ma'am.
No, it's all fun.
Yeah, it's all fun. Yeah. Okay. അമ്മു ചേച്ചി പെട്ടെന്ന് ഒരു ദിവസം കല്യാണം കഴിക്കണമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ what will your reaction be?
Very happy.
Very happy. I am not at all happy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I am very happy.
Yeah.
Every mother's dream is that.
To what? To get their children married?
No, as a bride.
Yeah, seeing their like daughters as bride.
Yes.
Okay.
Entering into a new life and be a good
Wife.
mother, human being in all the ways of life. Whether it is bachelor or married, be a good girl.
Okay. But I don't think in recent times I'm going to tell you that. Sorry. You have to wait.
Yes, waiting.
Yes.
Katta waiting.
For my marriage.
Yes.
Let me find a boyfriend first. Okay, but still. Okay, so somebody asked me what's your age. You want to reveal your age?
No way.
No way. She's sweet 16.
Sweet system. Always.
Always. Even I'm 23, she is 16.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at our faces. Like, I am older, right?
Yes. I am a teenager.
I have no idea. I'm living with kids, okay? So this is the last question. In which ways do you think that your kids are like you?
They are so free.
Yeah.
They love jokes.
Like, we are funny.
Yes, you both are very funny. And yes, giving respect to all the people of my family or my husband's family, giving respect and to the teachers mainly. they respect the teachers very much. That I love it. That's
Like
a-
that resembles you.
Yes, I also respect my teachers. You people also respect your teachers. When you go to your or leave from this institution, you will go. You will.
Kaali pidikkum, that's the
No, that is not at all. Yes, blessings of their.
Yeah, like I have a habit of like getting blessings from the teachers because
It's very
she is a teacher and she always told me to be like that. Like whenever some teacher is angry at you or she is scolding you, that's not because she hates you or anything. She has a good intention behind it. So whenever you leave a college or a school, it's better to take their blessings and go with a
Yes.
positive vibe.
Yes.
And I think that actually blessed me in a many ways. Like from my 10th standard, +1, +2, degree, MA, I have like got
Blessings from
Yeah, teachers.
parents and teachers is equally important.
I do believe in that.
Yes.
I think that
this both of them is very perfect in that.
even I think respecting, I do believe that I resembles her. I think she respects everyone, and I have seen her with elder people and younger people. She respects their opinions and even take their opinions. So I think even I personally believe that respect is something you have to earn for yourself, because if you respect yourself and you respect others, you will get a lot of love from other people. So I think
Good idea.
I really I think self-love and self-respect is much important. And I learned that from her. Like she respects others and herself a lot.
Yes. They are following my path. That I'm very happy about that.
Okay, so I think that's it, guys. We have done this Q&A session very quickly. So we'll be back with another video on another day, right?
Yes.
You'll be there, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so yeah, I come up with videos every Wednesdays and Sundays. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Ding ding.
Ding.